Trigonometry complementary angles. Trigonometry complementary angles. What is the complementary angles? The sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Then the two angles are called complementary angles. So in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degrees. So it is a triangle. Angle A equal to theta, then angle C equal to value at that 90 minus theta. Angle A equal to theta, angle C equal to value at that 90 minus theta. For example, angle A value 30, angle C value 90 minus 30 equal to value 60 degrees. So like that. So sine of 90 minus theta. Sine of 90 minus theta is equal to, what is that? Opposite side of 90 minus theta by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side of 90 minus theta? 90 minus theta opposite side value, what is that? AB. By hypotenuse value, what is that? AC. What is the AB and AC of the relation of theta? AB is the adjacent side of theta. Adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse, what is that? Cos theta. So sine of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Sine of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos of 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Tan of 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Cot of 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Cosecant of 90 minus theta equal to secant theta. Secant of 90 minus theta equal to cosecant theta. Evaluate cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. So here, change one of the term in the two terms. Cosecant 31 minus secant 59. So change the first term. Okay. So cosecant of 90 minus 59. 90 minus 59 is equal to value 31. Minus secant 59. That equal to cosecant of 90 minus theta. Cosecant of 90 minus theta equal to secant theta. So secant 59 minus secant 59 is equal to value 0. That is equal to value 0. Evaluate the following. Tan 36 degrees divided by cot 54. Tan 36 divided by cot 54. So here numerator and denominator terms is there. Change numerator or denominator, any one of the numerator or denominator. So we will change it. What is the numerator? So tan 36. So tan 36 can be written tan of 90 minus 54. 90 minus 54 equal to value 36. Tan of 90 minus 54 divided by cot 54. So tan of 90 minus theta, it is just like that, tan of 90 minus theta. What is the tan of 90 minus theta? Cot theta. So cot 54 by cot 54 is equal to value 1. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Cos 12, what is that? Here, change one of the term. Minus before term or after term. So, cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Here two terms is there. Change one of the term. Here second term we will change that. Cos 12 minus sin 78. Sin 78 can be written sin of 90 minus 12. 90 minus 12 is equal to value, what is that? 90 minus 12 equal to value 78. So there is no change. So cos 12 degrees minus sin of 90 minus theta. What is that? Cos theta. What is the theta place value? 12 degrees. That is equal to value 0. Or suppose here for some members are changed first term. So cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. That is equal to. So now here change the first term. Change the first term. So cos of 90 minus 78. 90 minus 78 equal to 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. That is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta, what is the formula? Sin theta. Sin 78 degrees minus sin 78 is equal to value 0. Or this value or first term. Here we will change the second term. Here we will change the first term. Here both are the same values. Show that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 is equal to 1. So first one given values tan 48, tan 16, tan 42, tan 74. 48 and 42. The two angles total 90. And 16 and 74, these two angles total 90. Change first two terms are change next two terms. Okay. Here we will change the next two terms, last two terms. Tan 48, tan 16 into tan 42 can be written tan of 90 minus 48. 90 minus 48, what is that? 42. Tan of 42 degrees is equal to tan of 90 minus 48. Tan 74 can be written tan of 90 minus 16. So tan 48 into tan 16 into tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta. What is that? Cot theta. What is the theta place value? Is 48. So cot 48 into here also tan of 90 minus theta. What is that formula? Cot theta. In theta place value 60 degrees. Cot 60 degrees. So tan 48 into tan 16 into cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, 1 by tan 48 into cot theta 1 by tan 16 degrees. So tan 48 cancel, tan 16 cancel is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to value 1. Second question, show that cos 36 cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. First, what is the LHS given? Cos 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 sin 54. Here change minus before term or after term. So here we will change these terms. Cos 36 degrees cos 54 degrees minus sin, here sin 36 can be written sin of 90 minus 54. 90 minus 54 is equal to value 36. Sin 54 can be written sin of 90 minus 36. 90 minus 36 is equal to value 54 degrees. So cos 36 degrees cos 54 degrees minus sin of 90 minus theta. Sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So cos 54 degrees. What is the theta place value? 54. Sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta. What is the formula? Cos of 90 minus sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos 36 degrees. So that is equal to value 0. Cos 36 into cos 54. Cos 36 into cos 54 between minus is equal to value. What is the result? 0. That means A into B is equal to A into B minus B into A is equal to value 0. Just like that. Cos 36 cos 54 minus cos 54 minus cos 36 is equal to 0. In third question, tan 2a equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees. Find the value of, find the angle of a. So what is given? Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Change one side. Here it is the theta, tan theta. What is the tan theta formula? Tan theta equal to cot of 90 minus theta. Theta plus value, what is that? 2a. So tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. Cot of 90 minus 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees. Both sides cot cancel. Both sides cot values cancel. So 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degrees. So change constant terms are one side and a terms are one side. 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. 108 is equal to value 3a. Then 3a is equal to value 108. Then a is equal to value 108 by 3. Then a is equal to 3, 3, 3 1, so 3, 3, so 3, 6. A equal to 36 degrees. 7a equal to cos of a minus 6 degrees. Find a. Here, what is the given? Sin 7a is equal to cos A minus 6 degrees. Here equal to cos of A minus 6 degrees. Here sin theta. Sin theta, what is the formula? Sin theta equal cos of 90 minus theta. So cos of 90 minus 7a is equal to cos A minus 6 degrees. Both sides cos cancel. So what is the remaining value? 90 minus 7a is equal to A minus 6 degrees. Change A terms are one side and the constant terms are one side. So minus 7a minus a is equal to minus 6 minus 96. Minus 90. So minus 8a is equal to minus 96. Both sides minus cancel. 8a is equal to 96. Then a is equal to 96 by 8. A is equal to 12 degrees. A value 12 degrees. Now ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC. ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC. Then show that tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Then show that tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. So here ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC. So sum of the angles of the triangle equal to value 180. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. So here A plus B by 2. C is another side is there. So say change C is another side. So A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. Then divided by 2 both sides. A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 minus C by 2. So here A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 minus C by 2. And A plus B by 2, here A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. 90 minus C by 2. So here required value tan is there. So apply tan on both sides. Apply tan on both sides. On both sides. So tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to tan of 90 minus C by 2. So here tan of A plus by 2 equal to value tan of 90 minus theta. What is the formula? Tan of 90 minus theta? Cot theta. So cot C by 2. So what is the required value? Tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Tan A equal to cot B. Then show that A plus B is equal to 90. If tan A is equal to cot B, then show that A plus B equal to 90. So first one, what is the given? Tan A is equal to cot B. Change one term, left side or right side. Here we will change the right side term. So tan A is equal to, it is the cot theta. What is the cot theta? Cot theta equal tan of 90 minus theta. So what is that? Cot theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta plus value, what is that? B. Both sides tan cancel. So what is the remaining value? A is equal to 90 minus B. Then B change this side. A plus B is equal to value 90 degrees. It is the required value. If sin A is equal to cos B, then show that A plus B equal to 90. If sin A is equal to cos B, then show that A plus B equal to 90. First one, what is the given? Sin A is equal to cos B. Change one term, left side or right side. Here right side we will change that. Sin theta. What is the sin theta formula? Sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. So cos of 90 minus A. Cos of 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Like that, sin theta equal to cos of 90 minus theta is equal to value cos B. Both sides cos cancel. So 90 minus A is equal to B. 90 is equal to B plus A and 90 is equal to value A plus B. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 90. Next question. Express sin 75 plus cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45, of the angles between 0 and 45 degrees. First, what is the given value? Sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. So here sin 75 degrees. Sin 75 degrees can be written sin of 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 equal value 75 plus cos of 90 minus 25. 90 minus 25 is equal to value cos 65. So there is no change. Cos of 90 minus 25 equal to cos 65. Here, what is the formula? Sin of 90 minus theta. Sin of 90 minus theta, what is the formula? Cos theta. What is the theta place value? 15. So cos 15 degrees plus cos of 90 minus theta. What is the cos of 90 minus theta? Sin theta. What is the theta place value? 25 degrees. So sin 25 degrees. So 15 is 0 and 45 degrees between value, and 25 is also 0 and 45 degrees between value.